Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to verify your age on your Google account. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there is two different methods for this, so I'll go through method number one. So open up Gmail or your Google app, and then from here we simply want to click onto our user profile or our Google account. Then from here, click onto Google account. Now once we're inside of here, we need to get into personal info. Then scroll down, you're going to see your birthday here below your profile picture and name. Now what you need to do is update your date of birth if it was entered incorrectly. So you must show that you're 13 plus or older depending on your country. So to do that, click into it. And here, birthday, go ahead and click onto that again and then change your date. So say if I made a mistake and it was actually February, you want to go ahead and click that and change confirm. Then I'll say confirm again. Now, method number two is if Google asks for age verification, you'll usually see a prompt when you sign into your Google account. Then you'll have two options. So you want to upload an ID for option A. So follow the on-screen steps when prompted. Take a clear photo of a valid government issued ID. This can be a driver's license, passport, etc. Then submit it directly in the app. Google reviews, it usually takes between 1 to 2 days. And now option B is use a small payment. So select the credit card verification option, pay a small refundable amount like 30 cents. Once verified, the amount is refunded to your account.